Hey there, Mortgage Masters, to another thrilling video in the daily grind. Are you ready to dive into the thrilling world of mortgage management? Today, I'll be sharing some incredible tips and tricks to help you conquer your mortgage like a pro. Let's get started. But before we begin, please hit that bell, like and subscribe. It's time to crunch those numbers and unleash your inner money-savvy wizard. Now, on to tip number 2, the payment power-up. Imagine yourself as a mortgage ninja, swiftly making those timely payments with a flick of your wrist. Avoid the traps of late payments and penalties. Trust me, your credit score will thank you. But wait, there's more. Tip number 3, the debt demolisher. Take down those high-interest debts like a financial superhero. Prioritize paying off those credit cards and student loans while keeping your mortgage payments steady. You've got this. Get ready for tip number 4, the emergency fund fortress. It's time to build your fortress of financial security. Imagine a shield protecting you from unexpected expenses and saving you from resorting to credit cards or additional debt. You're the master of your financial fate. But wait, there's an exciting plot twist. Tip number 5, the refinancing revolution. Keep your eyes peeled for falling interest rates. If you spot one, seize the opportunity to refinance your mortgage. It's like discovering a hidden treasure chest filled with lower interest rates, reduced payments, and a faster way to pay off your loan. Now, prepare for the ultimate power move. Tip number 6, the extra payment Excalibur. Unleash your secret weapon against interest and loan terms. Every additional payment you make towards your mortgage principal is like wielding Excalibur, slashing away at your total interest and shortening your loan term. It's time to level up your mortgage game. Hold on tight, folks. Tip number 7 is here, the insurance adventure. Journey through the land of homeowners insurance to find the best coverage at the most affordable rates. It's like exploring a magical realm of savings. Get ready to save some serious gold. And finally, our epic finale. Tip number 8, the Wise Wizard consultation. When in doubt, seek the wisdom of financial advisors and housing counselors. They are the wise wizards of mortgage management, ready to guide you through any financial obstacles you may encounter. Don't be shy, let their expertise empower you. Congratulations, Mortgage Masters. You've just unlocked the secrets to managing your mortgage like a true champion. Remember, with discipline, planning, and a touch of excitement, you'll conquer your mortgage and achieve financial success. Stay tuned for more thrilling adventures in the realm of personal finance. Until next time, stay awesome and don't forget to hit that like button, like and subscribe.